If you have to simplify 301 over 559, you probably look for a calculator because 2, 3, and 5 are not factors of these two numbers. But I'm going to show you how you get the greatest common divisor using successive subtraction method. We're going to be subtracting the smaller number from the larger number. Here we have 559 minus 301, and the answer is 258. We'll now subtract the smaller number from the larger number. We'll continue our subtraction. 301 minus 258. That will give us 43. Then these two numbers are not the same. Subtraction continues. 258 minus 43. That will give us 215. These two numbers are still not the same. Subtraction continues. 215 minus 43. That will give us 172. Subtraction continues. 172 minus 43. That will give us 129. So 129 minus 43. That will give us 86. 86 minus 43 is equal to 43. The answer, the two numbers are now the same. The two numbers are now the same. So the greatest common divisor of 301 and 559 is 43. So we are going to divide our numerator by 43 and also our denominator 559 by 43. That simply gives us 7/13.